What makes ICT trading so special? It's all about reading the market's deeper story, spotting how big institutional players move, understanding market structure, and seeing how different patterns work together. Unlike trading systems that rely on indicators and can be easily turned into algorithms, ICT trading needs something more. It needs your judgment and understanding. When you're looking at an ICT setup, you're not just checking if some lines crossed. You're watching how price moves across different time frames, spotting institutional footprints, and putting together multiple pieces of the puzzle, from market structure to order flow, from where big players might be hunting liquidity to where they're likely accumulating positions. That's why practicing and backtesting ICT strategies needs a special approach. You need three key things. First, quality tick-by-tick data that shows you exactly how price really moves. Second, the ability to watch multiple time frames at once. And third, a complete set of tools to spot and test these patterns. That's exactly what Forex Tester Online brings to the table. Everything you need to practice ICT trading as if you were in the live markets. Let's be honest, ICT trading can feel overwhelming at first. There's so much to take in. Order blocks, fair value gaps, market structure, liquidity sweeps. It's like learning a new language. And you know what? Many traders find themselves wondering where to even begin. That's completely normal. And that's exactly why having the right practice environment is so important. When it comes to actually practicing ICT trading, we see two main approaches that traders tend to follow. Both are valid, and both can lead to success. It's really about finding what works best for you. Here's the first approach. Some traders prefer to dive right in with everything they've learned about ICT. They've studied the concepts, they understand how they work together, and now they want to practice using all of this knowledge at once. It's like they've learned all the rules of the game and now want to play a full match. In Forex Tester Online, these traders will be watching for everything simultaneously, checking market structure on higher time frames, spotting order blocks as they form, identifying fair value gaps, and watching how price interacts with liquidity levels. They're putting all the pieces together, seeing how different ICT concepts work as part of one complete strategy. But there's another way, and many traders actually find this second approach more manageable. Instead of trying to implement everything at once, they break ICT down into smaller, more digestible pieces. In example, they may start by focusing on specific point of interest levels, like trading day highs and lows in particular ways. For instance, they might concentrate on breakout strategies, testing different time frames to see when these setups work best. What works on a 4-hour chart might need a completely different approach on the 15-minute time frame, and the same setup might behave differently in euro to US dollar compared to gold or indices. Here's the challenge, though. There are so many ways to find the best entry points. Where would you expect the price to roll back after the breakout? Recent order block? Or maybe fair value gap? Or the level itself? Options are endless. Then you need to determine optimal exit rules, figure out position sizing, decide whether trailing stops might improve your results. It can seem like an endless list of questions to answer. But here's the good news. Manual backtesting in FTO gives you two powerful advantages. First, you get precise analytics about specific strategies. Second, and perhaps more importantly, you gain invaluable experience through observation. As you practice, you'll naturally start to see which variations work best, helping you narrow down the vast range of possibilities. It's like building a strategy piece by piece, making sure each part works before adding the next one. Moreover, FTO provides several powerful features specifically helpful for ICT trading practice. Major news events are marked directly on your charts, helping you understand market context and price action around significant announcements. Instead of watching hours of price action, you can move directly to where price touches your marked levels, saving valuable practice time. There's even a specialized fair value gap indicator to help spot these important market inefficiencies, with more features for more convenient price action and ICT trading coming in upcoming versions of Forex Tester Online. Remember, there's no rule saying you have to backtest or even trade ICT in any particular way. Some traders might use every concept in the methodology, while others might find they get better results focusing on just a few key elements. The important thing is finding an approach that makes sense to you and that you can execute consistently. That's what practice in FTO is all about, discovering and refining your own best way of trading ICT.